Tammy Slaton has once again taken the internet by storm with her latest bold transformation that left fans speechless. The 1000lb Sisters star, who has been inspiring viewers with her incredible health journey over the past few seasons of the TLC reality show, stepped into the spotlight in a way no one expected. For the first time ever, Tammy modeled a tiny, form-fitting dress while showing off her brand new set of teeth during a stunning photoshoot that has quickly gone viral across multiple platforms. The images not only highlight how far she has come in her weight loss journey, but also serve as a symbol of confidence, self-love, and newfound freedom that she has embraced after years of struggling with health and personal battles. The photoshoot captured Tammy in a completely different light, one that fans of the series had long hoped to see. Gone are the days when Tammy appeared on screen with limited mobility, relying on oxygen, and struggling to maintain her independence. In the latest images, she radiates confidence as she confidently poses in a tiny dress that hugs her slimmer frame, something many viewers never imagined she would feel comfortable enough to do. The dress, which came in a bold shade that accentuated her complexion, was paired with subtle accessories to keep the focus on her transformation. But what caught fans' attention just as much as the dress was Tammy's smile, enhanced by a brand new set of teeth that she proudly displayed throughout the shoot. The decision to undergo dental work has been one of Tammy's most recent steps in her transformation journey. For years, fans noticed her struggle with missing teeth, which at times impacted her confidence and appearance on camera. But now, with her new smile, Tammy says she finally feels like the best version of herself. The change not only boosted her confidence but also symbolized the final step in her quest to reclaim her health and happiness after years of pain, criticism, and self-doubt. Fans flooded social media with support, calling her photoshoot a moment of triumph, and praising her bravery in showing herself off in such a daring look. Tammy's story has been one of the most inspiring arcs in reality television. When she first appeared on 1000lb Sisters alongside her sister Amy Slaton, she weighed over 700 pounds and struggled with mobility issues that left her fearing for her life. She required medical intervention, constant supervision, and even hospitalization as her health rapidly declined. At her lowest point, Tammy was admitted to a rehabilitation facility after a near-death experience that left both her family and fans unsure if she would survive. That turning point became the beginning of her journey toward weight loss surgery, better habits, and eventually, a new life. Since undergoing bariatric surgery, Tammy has lost hundreds of pounds and has been steadily regaining control over her independence. With each new milestone, fans have been there to cheer her on, and the photoshoot marked one of her most triumphant moments yet. It wasn't just about the dress or the teeth, it was about Tammy reclaiming a life that many believed was out of reach. By modeling a tiny dress and posing with confidence, she has shown that she is not only healthier but also prouder of herself than ever before. The behind the scenes of the shoot was just as moving as the final photos. Tammy reportedly worked with a stylist who carefully selected clothing that would highlight her new figure without making her feel uncomfortable. For someone who spent years hiding her body under oversized clothing, stepping into a tiny dress took courage and determination. The team encouraged her every step of the way, helping her embrace her curves and see her body in a new light. The result was a collection of images that not only celebrate her progress but also redefine her public image as a woman who has overcome adversity and now thrives with confidence. Her fans reacted with overwhelming positivity. Social media platforms were filled with comments from viewers who had followed her journey since the beginning. Many admitted they were moved to tears seeing Tammy so happy and radiant. Some expressed that her smile was the best part of the photoshoot, calling it contagious and proof that true change is possible. Others applauded her for silencing the critics who once doubted her ability to achieve this transformation. The photos quickly became a trending topic, with headlines and entertainment blogs rushing to cover Tammy's daring debut in her tiny dress and new teeth. But Tammy herself has said that the journey wasn't easy. She has been open about the struggles of adjusting to life after such dramatic weight loss, both physically and mentally. From battling food addiction to dealing with online criticism, Tammy admits there were moments when she nearly gave up. However, she credits her family, friends, and medical team for helping her stay on track. The photoshoot, in many ways, was not just about fashion or appearance but about celebrating resilience and determination. By daring to show herself off in a way that once felt impossible, Tammy has become a symbol of perseverance for fans everywhere. Another layer of Tammy's transformation story comes from how it has impacted her personal relationships. For years, fans watched her romantic life unfold on screen, often filled with heartbreak and disappointment. However, with her newfound confidence, Tammy has also been more open about seeking healthier connections. Some reports suggest that she and her fiancé have been building a stronger foundation together, with the photoshoot marking a new chapter in their shared life. Tammy's ability to love herself first has clearly changed how she approaches love and relationships with others. The dental work Tammy underwent has also been a huge talking point among fans. Dental health often goes overlooked in transformation journeys, but for Tammy, restoring her teeth was about more than aesthetics. She explained that having a full smile again not only improved her ability to eat comfortably but also gave her the courage to embrace public appearances. For someone who was once hesitant to even appear on camera without filters or careful angles, flashing her smile proudly in a high-profile photos shoot marked an emotional victory. Experts have also chimed in on Tammy's transformation, praising her commitment and discipline. Doctors point out that her case was one of the most extreme featured on TLC, and her progress serves as an example for others struggling with obesity and related health conditions. Beyond the physical transformation, her willingness to share her ups and downs publicly has made her story relatable and inspiring for many who face similar battles. By modeling a tiny dress and showing off her teeth, she has turned her personal win into a public victory that motivates others to chase their own goals. Looking ahead, many are curious about what this new chapter means for Tammy's career. With the photoshoot receiving so much attention, fans are speculating whether she could pursue more modeling opportunities, perhaps even branching out into fashion or brand endorsements. While Tammy has not confirmed any official offers, the demand for her presence in the spotlight has never been higher. Reality TV stars often leverage their fame into new ventures, and Tammy's bold photoshoot could be the beginning of an entirely new path for her beyond 1000 LB Sisters. Tammy's journey has been filled with heartbreak, triumph, setbacks, and victories, but the photoshoot symbolizes a defining moment in her story. For years, she was the underdog, the one viewer worried about, the sister many feared would not make it. Now, she has rewritten her narrative, standing tall in a tiny dress with a glowing smile, proving not only to the world but to herself that she is capable of achieving greatness. For Tammy, this isn't the end of the journey, it's the beginning of a whole new life filled with confidence, independence, and opportunities that were once out of reach. The images from her photoshoot will likely remain some of the most iconic moments in her transformation journey. They represent not just weight loss or cosmetic change, but an emotional and spiritual rebirth. Tammy Slaton has shown that change is possible even in the darkest of times, and that with determination, support, and self-love, anyone can rewrite their story. As she continues to inspire millions with her resilience, fans will be watching closely to see what comes next for the star who once struggled to survive but now thrives in ways that few could have ever imagined. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.